Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 192. And if we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this row now, we're just missing a 3. For this column, we're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 covering here and an 8 covering here, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 8. Oh, 3 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. And for this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 2, 6. This 9 makes this our 1, 9, 1, 9. And that 1 makes this our 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.